What is a bug and debugging? Explained in simple words. What does bug mean? In programming, a bug is an error, flaw, or mistake in the code that causes a program to behave unexpectedly or crash. In simple words, bug equals problem in your program. It means a bug can make software give wrong results, cause crashes or freezes, prevent the program from working as intended, happen in any program, big or small. So, bug equals something in your code that doesn't work right. Example idea. Imagine you wrote this Python code. Print 10/0. This will cause an error. Division by 0. That's a bug. Another example. Username equals Alice. Print username. Typo in variable name means program fails means bug. Why it matters. Without debugging, cross-mark programs may give wrong results. Cross-mark software can crash unexpectedly. Cross-mark users get frustrated. Cross-mark hard to maintain or improve programs. With debugging, checkmark errors are found and fixed. Checkmark programs run correctly. Checkmark software becomes reliable and user-friendly. Checkmark developers learn from mistakes. What is debugging? Debugging is the process of finding, analyzing, and fixing bugs in a program. In simple words, debugging equals fixing problems in your code. It means identify the error, understand why it happened, correct the code, test to make sure the bug is gone. How debugging works. Step by step. Identify the bug, notice the error or unexpected behavior. Analyze the code, find where it happens. Fix the bug, correct the code. Test the program, ensure it works properly. Repeat if necessary. Some bugs may hide deeper issues. Flow. Bug detected means analyze means fix means test means program runs correctly. Common types of bugs. Syntax bugs, mistakes in code structure. Missing colon, brackets. Typos. Logic bugs, program doesn't do what it's supposed to do. Runtime bugs, errors during program execution. Division by 0. Null pointer. Semantic bugs, code runs but produces wrong results. Advantages of debugging. Checkmark ensures program works correctly. Checkmark improves software reliability. Checkmark helps developers understand code better. Checkmark prevents software crashes. Checkmark leads to cleaner, maintainable code. Disadvantages, challenges. Crossmark can be time-consuming. Crossmark hard to find complex bugs. Crossmark some bugs appear intermittently. Hard to reproduce. Crossmark requires experience and patience. Comparison. Bug versus error. Feature bug error. Meaning mistake in code causing unexpected behavior violation of rules that stops code from running. Detection may appear at runtime or logical issues usually detected by compiler or interpreter. Example typo. Wrong calculation syntax error like missing parenthesis. So, bug equals problem you need to debug. Debugging equals process of fixing the bug. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often ignore small bugs thinking they don't matter. Panic when errors appear. Debug without understanding the code. Forget to test after fixing. Reason. Bugs are normal. Careful debugging solves them efficiently. Real-life analogy. A bug is like a mistake in a recipe shallow pan of food. Recipe equals code. Wrong ingredient equals bug. Chef notices the mistake means fixes it means dish comes out correct equals debugging. Important point. Bugs are normal in programming. Debugging is a necessary skill for every programmer. Learning to debug improves coding skills and software quality. Simple definition. Bug equals mistake or error in a program that causes unexpected behavior. Debugging equals process of finding and fixing bugs. Final summary. Checkmark bugs can be syntax, logic, runtime, or semantic. Checkmark debugging finds and fixes these bugs. Checkmark ensures programs work correctly and reliably. Checkmark essential for learning programming and building software. Checkmark with practice. Debugging becomes faster and easier. Without debugging, crossmark software fails or behaves incorrectly. With debugging, checkmark programs run smoothly, reliably, and as intended.